What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Guys, look at this. My brand new car that I just sold. No, I'm just kidding. This isn't my car, guys. If you guys, I'm sure you guys recognize this car by now. This belongs to this gentleman right over here. You guys know Lou. Of course, he's the owner of this M340. You guys have seen on my channel. And yo, hold on real quick. Lou finally made a YouTube channel.
I did, guys, so go follow me, please.
Yeah, go subscribe. But anyways, we're gonna try to make this quick because we've been outside for a little too long and it is cold.
New York is at least 75 degrees right now. No, it's not. It's freezing cold.
Bro, it's like legit, like, we're like in the 30s right now, so. Yo, Sticks, what do you want?
Change your plans. She said I could stay.
Oh, Sticks is staying. Yeah, this video got a little better. Yo, we got. Wait, what do you call it? What do you call it?
The 440,000.
Anyways, guys, on the real, you guys know I'm getting rid of the F30. I've parted out most of it, and I'll show you guys the car at some point. Now that the car is parted out and I'm getting ready to sell it, it's time to figure out what to get next. So, I'm not gonna get rid of the G80 M3. Let me just make that really clear. This car is staying, which by the way, hold on. This looks mad good, bro. I gotta get a shot of this.
You gotta get the DRLs, man.
The G80 M3, the G20. Bro, they look sick. Both with yellow DRLs. Anyways, I gotta figure out what car to get. So the M3 is staying. I'm debating. You guys already know, my family's growing. I need an SUV. But maybe I keep 3 cars because, I do still got to drive to work. Maybe something a little more practical, blah, blah, blah. The G80 M3 is still going to be like the beast car on the channel. Maybe we'll get an SUV for the fam. But, maybe something a little more reasonable, something a little more daily driver friendly, right? Or would you say the M340i is a daily driver friendly? No? Well, I mean, if it's slammed like your car is.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's probably the perfect daily driver, honestly, in my opinion.
Until you slam it like this.
Not at this ride height.
So I'm debating, guys, like if I sell the F30, do I get an M340i? All right, guys, we're gonna hop inside the car because it's too cold for this. I'm gonna stop talking. Lou's gonna let me drive his car. We gotta shut off the G80. Oh, Six is coming. Yo, already, I gotta say, just getting inside this car, I already got inside it before, but off camera, but like, yo, it's so much nicer without the bucket seats. Legit, like, it's just so much more comfortable. And inside it, like, it feels, it's basically my G80 M3. This is different. I have the carbon here. Obviously, different color interior. We got the, what's it called again? What's the color of it? Mocha. Anyways, it looks really good in here. It's nice. It's classy, sophisticated, unlike me. Well, all right, so I'll be honest with you guys. If I get an M340 or maybe a 330 but a G20, I don't think it's gonna be the LCI. I would love the LCI, but they're just way too expensive. I was looking last night, I was doing my typical like car guy window shopping late at night for cars that I'm never really gonna buy, or hopefully looking at like Porsches and stuff. Why do we do that to ourselves, bro? But I wonder if I get a pre-LCI, can I do like a conversion?
For the bumper?
The bumper and the headlights? Because I don't care about the rear.
I saw somebody on Facebook doing it.
They did it?
They did it. I'll send you a picture later.
Yo, guys, let me know. Should I get like a pre-LCI? Because that would be sick.
You could.
If I do like a series of like converting it, that'd actually be interesting.
That would be different. Just one other person I seen. Somebody tried to do the rear, but it didn't work out.
I don't care about the rear as much.
But the front bumper, yeah, they changed it over.
I don't care about the rear.
This out. Changed it to this. Like,
I'll keep the old one. If you would now, but yeah, let me know down in the comments, guys. Like, that would be pretty sick because the F30 was fun converting it from like a base model to an M Sport. Although, like people have done that before. I like the sound, man. What exhaust do you have on this thing?
This is a Valvetronic exhaust.
Valvetronic.
So you can open and close the valves.
Is it a cat back?
Yeah, it's a full cat back.
Look at that. That's another option.
You can't go wrong with those. How does it feel driving it though? What do you think? As a G80 owner. It's
honestly, well, one, yours is like pretty modified. It's pretty. I mean, you got a Valvetronic exhaust. You got coilovers. I mean, it's not that modified. People go, people are like, it's not a big turbo. All that.
Yeah. That's
what you got to do now to be like modified. But like, it's not stock, and still, it's more comfortable than my G80. But a big thing of it is the seats alone. Just the seats, like this, just feels more like chill. Like I kind of feel like I'm in my G80 in a way without the bucket seats. Yeah. But I love the bucket seats. Bucket seats are great. You're gonna get to experience the bucket seats. But yeah, it feels nice. It feels comfortable. Has a good amount of power. I mean, we haven't even been able to open it up yet because look at this freaking guy. Come on, man. You gotta park here. And this guy wants to turn left. He can't turn left. We can't go straight. This freaking guy. All right, we're gonna open it up a little bit. It's slower than the G80.
Ooh, I like that sound.
That's XHP. So the car does have XHP on it. Now I think since the last time Eamon and I met up, really. So
Ooh, I like that.
you hear that?
Yeah, I like that.
Sorry, I'm burning your gas, bro. It's not, honestly, like, this is a bad example to use for an F340 because you got the exhaust. I like the sound, man. I'm not gonna lie. To this day, I don't think any 6-cylinder BMW sounds better than the N55. I don't care. Yo, it sounds the best. It sounds the best. Don't care what anybody says. V58 sounds good, but like, the N55 just had like a certain growl to it. I'm gonna test the brakes real quick. They're a lot softer than the G80.
They are. As a 2023, no. Thanks, man.
Oh.
I wish I got that on the video.
Yeah. If you guys didn't catch that, but the car just got a thumbs up, so I guess even this car still gets attention. Huh? But again, you know, Apex wheels, coilovers.
Yeah, the car is modified.
It sounds good, but I'll say this: like, I'm not looking for like the car to be like. I'm not looking for it to be crazy. Like, this is obviously slower than the G80.
Yeah.
It's slower than the G80. It feels a lot more numb just driving it. Like, it doesn't punch as hard. We're still in sport. Brakes don't feel as tight. It doesn't feel as, like, it feels low, and I don't feel as much body roll, but we're gonna test that in a bit. I got a road in mind that we're gonna be able to like test out the suspension a little bit. But like so I won't speak on the suspension yet, but I don't need the car to be like a crazy performance car. I need a daily driver. Yeah. Like I was telling you guys, I need a daily driver, something to replace the F30, but I want a car that we can still make like interesting videos about and have like fun with. So, oh, that's pretty nice. So if I get a pre-LCI and I make it like an LCI, I think that would be pretty cool.
That would be cool. That'd be different.
Yeah, that would be different. I don't know if anybody else on YouTube has done that, but
wow, look at the we talking about G20s. Look at this one right
that's
here.
That's a 330 though, right? Because you can tell by the exhaust
yes,
tips.
That's nice though.
So that's a pre-LCI. Yo, if I find it in that color, that would be sick. F80. We'll get to a better road in a second. But see, look, yo, this is something else. That's something I want. I really want an X7. But that would be like the family car though. Like I still want a third car to have fun. Cause like we'll make videos about the X7. That's LCI too.
Yeah, that is LCI.
Like an X7 will be fun. Like I'll definitely, if I get an X7, I'll definitely make videos about the F7 or the X7, the X7. But you know, like I want something like a bit of a bigger project. Cause the X7 I'll do like what I did with like the X3.
It's an expensive car. So honestly, getting the pre-LCI, you're not missing out on anything. There's not much differences minus the interior.
But if we convert it.
If you convert it, then you have the same thing.
If we convert it. But yo, guys, let me know down in the comments, like, would you like to see that? I think that would be dope. Like, kind of like, because it feels more like a transformation to the car. Like, you know, you can get a car, you can put front lips on it, stuff like that. And that's fun, but like, you know, gotta like do some type of like
there's only so far that you honestly can really get when it comes to, you know, modifying and also trying to do something different too.
Don't go in front of me. Turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna test out the suspension a little bit. We're not gonna go crazy. This is not my car. But we'll see like how it like feels, you know, planted wise.
I must say, even before he starts taking the turns and everything, the car does still need assistance. It's not like the M3 or M4, even though I do have the coilovers on. The suspension, you still do get some sort of roll, but it takes them hard.
It's pretty solid.
It is. It's not M suspension.
Nah, it's not. It's not as like.
You can tell the difference.
Yeah, I don't feel as like confident taking the turns. I don't feel as confident taking the turns as I do with like the M3. The M3, there's just something like just superhuman about it. Like it's just planted. This feels good on the KWs. The KWs, but it reminds me of my 435 on the KWs, which isn't a bad thing. Like it feels good, but yeah, it's not the same.
It doesn't give you the confidence.
Yeah, but that's fine. I'm not, listen.
Yeah,
I'm not comparing it. Like I don't want to like.
They're
people,
not the same car.
They're not the same car.
They're not the same car. Sorry, guys.
And you know more. They're not the same price tag. So that's the. So like I'm not trying to compare them. I'm just trying to see like how do I feel about this car and like how can we make it? Because obviously like we still want it to handle better. But like now I know if I get this car and I like do stuff to it, if I get the KWs, it still feels solid. Yeah, it'll still feel solid.
Sticks, what do you think?
About what?
Being in the car as a passenger in the back.
Yo,
seat.
I've never sat in the back of a BMW in my life, bro.
Yeah, no, it feels good though. I like it. I honestly really do. I think this is like my #1 choice. If I had to replace the F30, this is my #1 choice.
I think it's a good choice.
Yeah. But again, not the LCI. You can't afford that. Bro, they still go for like 50.
They do.
It's crazy.
I know.
Yeah, otherwise, it feels good in here, man. Like, as a daily driver, I could, like, this would be a great daily driver, bro. This is sick. But I don't know. There's other things I have in mind. Ooh, oh, I scraped.
It's okay.
I scraped. Bro, I got this close to getting back without scraping his... I was so close. All right, guys, so we just got back. You guys saw I literally scraped Blue's car. Well, should we actually check up on this thing? Did I scrape it that bad? It's not that bad. That's the title in the thumbnail. I broke Lou's car. Nah, it's fine. It's a plastic lip. It's a plastic lip. It's not that big of a deal. But anyways, guys, yeah, overall, I'm really liking the M340i. But after driving it and like after talking to Lou and Sticks for a little bit, I'm kind of thinking maybe we get a pre-LCI, we convert it to an LCI. I think that would make like for a cool transformation. We'll obviously do other things to it, lower wheels, the typical stuff. But just that conversion, I think will be cool and interesting and different to watch. But let me know what you guys think. I don't know. I have some thinking to do. I have some time. This isn't going to be right away. I still have to sell the F30 and then also have to get a family car. So that's a whole other story. But we have some more options, guys. So we're going to be doing some car shopping. So if you guys want to see that, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop it a like. Anyways, guys, with that said, this video is pretty much done. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.